Hello from Turkey, my name is Hasan İnce and this website is mine as a final project at CS50x in Harvard. This website aims to be shopping site as much as it be and intended 3-click rules I'll explain. At the first page here, customers should share their name, email address and living address to shop. If they not, they'll be warned like there should be username here. So, let's start with the name. My full name, my email, and my address. It should be more detailed actually. So after click register, you can see the products such as olive oil, olive, and fig. So let's buy olive oil for now. After you gave the parameters, wanted 1 liter and 4 shares, and click to add to cart. So you can see the shopping box page, and this is the price as Turkish lira, and this is liter, this is shares. So if you want to remove the product, you can remove or you can add from just clicking there. And the blue button is the third click, that payment page, which is not ready for now, for security actually. And the name and email here should match that the name and email you gave at first and in the database. There are 2 tables in my database. One of them is user, here, username, email and address, and the second one is the product, the orders table. Product name, shares again, and price and time. So there's one more thing that I'll explain. The contact page. Customers can share their opinions or ask questions with name, email and the message here. Those are our contact informations like address, Söke Aydın. Söke is the birthplace, my hometown, and living place, that's the place that I most like in Turkey. And this is my phone number, and this is the site's Gmail, and it's written here a brand of Söke. So that's all. That's my final project and my website. Thanks for watching.